Hello, welcome to Sapler Creations. I'm Sapler, and today I'm going to show you how to make a signature for forums or a website. Well, today I'm going to show you my best way of making a signature. The first thing you got to learn is the difference of the renders. A render is a picture of a character or a model or something like that, or a person that's cut it out of its original picture. There's two kinds, bad and good ones. Now I'm going to show you a bad one. This one is bad, not because of the cutting, but it's too big. It has two people, which take away much focus, and you see the lighting, it's like get a little bit of fading of light coming down, which destroys some of the flow in the picture. And you can also see the split. If you use that in a sig and it's not covering the whole sig, it's gonna end up pretty ugly. This is another example of a good one. You can see that's one person with much detail, which gives it a great focus. It might have some problem with the chopping, but I'm gonna use it in a way that that won't be a problem. This is something called a C4D. It's a 3D render of someone has made in a 3D program, which is often used in signatures. This is another example which I'm going to use. This is something similar, just it's called an abstract C4D, which is more of a 2D colorful kind of effect. Another C4D, which I'm going to use. And now I have that ready. First you need to have a signature size, which is about 300 to 125. You should have it transparent. So to start off, I'm gonna make it white. Some people might not do that, make the background of C4Ds or something, but in this specific sig I'm gonna use the background white. Now I'm gonna use this C4D in one special way. I'm gonna use a special brush called Manga splatter, which are these. I'm gonna use this one with the brush stamp tool. I'll choose the one I'm going to have. I'll find a nice spot with a mix of colors. I hold Alt and click. Now I'm gonna go back to the original signature place, and you can see that I can place this splatter anywhere I want. There. Now I'm gonna make a new layer. Do the same with this one. Find a new splatter. Click. And print. I'm not going to have them exactly how I'm placing them here, but since I have them two different layers, I can easily move around and make them the way I want. One more. There we go. Excuse me. Okay, so now that we have some of the splatter, I'm going to add the render. There we go. Right now it's way too big, so I'm going to shrink it. Like that. As you can see, the cutoff from the picture is nearly invisible, and I'm also going to fix on that a little bit later. Right now I'm just going to fix around, place these things for a more fitable thing to the render. Like this. The reason why I use the C4Ds with the stamping tool is because you can see how they get an awesome texture on the splatter brush. You can see it gives a nice background effect. And now I'm going to use this C4D, the whole thing. Shrink it.
Sapler Creations.net